Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Unique Bundle. Today I'm going to show you how to scan your computer without any antivirus software. So first of all, hold down your window key with R and then type MRT, click OK, then click next, and here you can choose which scan mode you want to choose. There are three modes: quick scan, full scan and customized scan. For now, I'm gonna choose quick scan. So you can choose whichever scan you want. So a quick scan, it's a quick scan. Full scan takes a bit of time. So for now, I'm gonna choose quick scan. Next, and it will start scan my computer. Okay, once it finishes, you can check your result. So if you click on view details result, and this dialog box will show you if any of your computer files infected with virus. This will tells you which file is infected. So for me, it's none of my computer files are infected with virus, so which is good. And then you can just click finish. Yeah, that's how you scan your computer without antivirus software. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching.